सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, Zaggle, has signed an agreement with Aster DM Healthcare Limited to provide them with Zaggle Safe, an employee expense management and benefits platform. The contract is for 1 year and is with a domestic entity. Further details on the order size were not provided. Maison Valves India Limited has received an order worth $1.46 million, approximately 12.50 crore, from a prominent international client. The order involves the supply of cutting-edge, high-performance critical valves over a period of 8 to 12 months. The disclosure is made pursuant to Regulation 30 of the SEBI, Listing Obligations and Disclosure Requirements, Regulations, 2015 and the SEBI Circular dated November 11, 2024. Oriental Rail Infrastructure Limited has secured an order worth 2,46,49,614 rupees and 72 paise from Integral Coach Factory, ICF, Chennai, Indian Railways for the supply and installation of 32 sets of one-coach set of chairs. The order is to be executed by January 31, 2027. 90% of the payment will be made upon inspection and provisional receipt, with the remaining 10% plus installation charges paid after final acceptance. Falcon Concepts Limited has received a new work order from Optimus Softech Private Limited for glass, glazing, and windows. The order value is 2,19,48,000 rupees and is for a site located at Plot B20, Sector 132, Noida. The order is to be executed within 12 months. Raj Iron and Steel Limited received a letter from the Sub-Divisional Officer Water Resources Subdivision, Bilaspur, demanding payment of water charges and a penalty for non-execution of an agreement. The company has paid the water charges and filed a reply requesting a waiver of the penalty, citing an existing NOC from the Central Groundwater Board for groundwater extraction. They believe the penalty demand is not payable and the impact on the company's financials and operations is not material. Diamond Power Infrastructure Limited, DPIL, has received a letter of intent from Adani Electricity Mumbai Limited for a 71 crore 46 lakh 41,200 rupees order to supply LT cables. The order is to be executed by March 2026. This disclosure is pursuant to SEBI, Listing Obligation and Disclosure Requirements, Regulations, 2015. Saregama India Limited received a final order from the Appellate Tribunal under SAFEMA on April 29, 2025. This order relates to an appeal filed by the company against a penalty of 10 lakh rupees imposed by the Enforcement Directorate for delayed filing of annual performance reports (APRs) for its Mauritian subsidiary between 2007 and 2010. The tribunal reduced the penalty to 2 lakh rupees, considering the company's explanation of inadvertent delay due to fire, office relocation, and staff attrition. Saregama will adjust the penalty against the pre-deposit made and claim a refund for the excess amount. Avantel Limited has received a purchase order worth 17.70 crore, including taxes, from Bharat Electronics Limited. The order is for manufacturing and is to be executed by September 20, 2028. This disclosure is made in accordance with SEBI regulations. Itcons E-Solutions Limited has received a work order from Paschimachal Vidyut Vitaran Nigam Limited (PVVNL) for 1 crore 51,90,319 Indian rupees and 97 paise. The contract involves providing 59 manpower resources, 15 unskilled and 44 skilled workers, for 1 year. Leo Dry Fruits and Spices Trading Limited has received a 1-year contract to supply dry fruits, spices, and other food products to Taj Group of Hotels, Indian Hotels Limited. The contract rates are finalized, but the order quantity will be determined by individual purchase orders. The order size is not disclosed at this time. Falcon Concepts Limited has received a work order worth 2 crore 19,48,000 rupees from Britomatics India Private Limited for glass, glazing, and windows at a site in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The order is to be executed within 12 months. Cerebra Integrated Technologies Limited received an order from the Securities Appellate Tribunal, Mumbai, granting a stay on the recovery of a penalty, subject to a deposit of 50% of the penalty amount. This follows an earlier appeal filed by the company against an order passed by the adjudicating officer. The details regarding the ongoing litigation are provided as per SEBI Circular No. SEBI/ho/CFT/CFT-pod1/p/sir/2023/123 dated July 13, 2023. Trishakti Industries Limited has received a contract worth 25 million Indian rupees from Tuaman Engineering Limited for deploying advanced earth-moving machines. The contract is for the erection and commissioning of a steel plant and is expected to positively impact Trishakti Industries' financial performance. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।